Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I will show you how you can easily activate your STC Pay card. Follow these simple steps and you will be able to activate the card and use it anywhere you want. Plus in this video I will also show how you can add funds to your STC Pay card. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the cards menu on the app and then you have to click on create new card. Now when you do that, there will be an option of activate card on your already created card. As you can see over here on the screen that my card hasn't been activated yet, so I will click on activate card. Now there are two steps required for the activation. You have to click on next and then you can see that you have to write the last 4 digits of your STC Pay card that you have received. So as you can see, I have written my last 4 digits of the card. Once you do that, click continue. You can see that now you can easily activate cards. Now you have to click on accept terms and conditions and continue. So your STC Pay card has been successfully activated. This is a very simple step that you can use in order to create payments and activate your card. Now you can see that I can easily add funds to my debit card by using this one. If you have your card installed on your STC Apple Pay, if you're using an Apple Pay, you can use the Apple Pay option from here and you can easily add funds to the account. As you can see, I have added funds of 50 riyals. Now if I click over here, I can pay with my Apple Pay and then you can see that it's processing and now all the funds have been transferred to my STC Pay account. So this is how you can activate your card and add funds to your STC Pay card. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.